Forex is very simple and easy if only you master one strategy. Why don't you make OPT strategy your strategy for 2024? Because I understand that you have been failing in Forex, you have been losing a lot, you don't understand this market. And if at all, even you're a beginner and you're watching me, this is a strategy that you can be able to master. And in this video, I have come here back again to tell you how to master OPT strategy. First of all, OPT strategy, OPT itself means one pattern on one time frame. We have so many patterns. The problem with many beginners, they want to understand all the patterns. We have double tops, double bottoms, ranging channel, cup and handle, head and shoulder, all those patterns. But majority of people, they learn all the patterns and they forget that you don't trade what you know. You trade the data that it is tested in your brain. We do not, if all of us we trade what we know, we would be millionaires. The only thing that you trade is the data that is in your mind that has been tested and has been profitable. And that's why I want to make OPT strategy a data that is in your brain. Okay? So how do you master OPT strategy? Number one, you'll go to higher time frame, and the higher time frame can be monthly, weekly, daily, or 4 hour. But I will highly suggest, if you want to master OPT strategy, every day starts from monthly, scaling down to weekly, going to daily, then 4 hour. Don't attempt OPT strategy on lower time frame like 15 minutes, 30, 1 hour. Why? Because you first need to get the skill. I know it can work on 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, but for me, I will highly suggest first understand from monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour. How do you, why are we going from monthly? We are going from monthly to eliminate chances of having patterns in 2 time frames. So you go to monthly, you check for a pattern, you go to weekly, you check for a pattern, you go to daily, and then now you start looking, is it on the higher time frame? Okay. The next thing, the next rule for OPT strategy, it's time frame alignment. You might find OPT like you might find a double top that is OPT on the daily, but when you flip on the 4 hour, you find a double bottom. That's called time frame alignment, and that's what I will show you in this video. So time frame alignment is key when you are using OPT strategy. And the last but not least, you use WBB on daily. You use WBB on daily, and then on weekly, and then on monthly. So the strategy you'll be using for double tops or double bottoms, if at all you find it on daily, weekly, or monthly, is WBB. If you find a pattern on 4 hour, and I have to say this, if you find a pattern on 4 hour, you use CRB strategy or CSB strategy. Okay, guys? So that being said, let's now go to how do you master OPT. So those are the rules, guys. So you need to pause to take that rule. You pause, you take that rule. You pause, you take that rule. Now we are on 4 hours. So let me delete everything and then we start afresh. So this is monthly time frame. And the reason why we are analyzing monthly time frame is to get an idea what the market is all about. So we have a ranging market, and if at all you only know one pattern like ranging market, you will say, I will never trade until the market breaks above. And this is how I used to trade when I was a beginner. I used to come on monthly and I find this ranging and I'm thinking, oh, I cannot trade because the market can either do 2 things. It can either break above or break below. This is to tell us that on monthly time frame, GBP card, by the way, I'm analyzing GBP card. Where is you? Where are you? GBP card. Where are you? GBP card. So GBP card on monthly, and this is current market, by the way. It is ranging. So if you just say, I will come back if the market breaks, you might wait forever. So according to monthly, there's nothing that is limiting us because we do not have a pattern, because this is a ranging market. When I come to weekly, and that's why I told you, you'll be flipping time frames. From monthly, you settle there's no pattern, and then you go to weekly, you settle there's no pattern. So now this is our daily time frame, guys. So when we are doing our daily time frame, not daily, weekly time frame, I want you to delete all the analysis you had done on monthly and analyze afresh. Why? Because if you If you come with analysis on the monthly, and remember monthly has told us we cannot sell. So you come on monthly like that, and you can notice that the market has already broken structure. Like we have this BOS, support has been broken. This is very, very serious in the trade. When you open your chart and there is this break of structure, you might not see, but if you zoom here, the sellers have broken this structure. Now, I told you, anytime the support breaks, the market needs to retrace, and that's why the green candle is. So if you remain on weekly, you don't know what you're doing. In fact, you'll be confused. Where is the retracement going? What will I do? And that's why people stuck, because they come and analyze weekly time frame. Yes, they understand the break of structure. Yes, they understand the retracement, but they are still stuck because they don't know what to do after this. Comment down below if you are that person who, yes, can be able to analyze everything in the market, but at the end of the day, you get stuck. So yes, we know the market is a sell, but this retracement is what we want to figure out. Where is it going? So we have to still go back to daily, because weekly, we do not have a pattern. So I go back to daily, and guess what? So this is our daily time frame. When I go to the daily time frame, where I am seeing a break of structure, on my left, there's an activation of support. And this is what I'm telling you. OPT is very, very strong. Why? If you didn't know about one pattern on one time frame, you will never have known that that double bottom has been activated like that. You see, there's a double bottom activated like that. So there's this double bottom, activation of the double bottom, and then we have our neckline. Can you spot our neckline? And then we have our half. So this is a full double bottom that is very powerful. And that's why I was saying the next rule, guys, is time frame alignment, because majority will know this and they will attempt to buy, but what they have not done, they have not done time frame alignment. So when you go to weekly, we want to see, do we have a support zone? We do not have. Can you see? We don't have. So this double bottom is only on daily. So we go back on the daily, and what have I said? Which strategy are we using on the daily? We are using WBB strategy. If you go to my YouTube channel, I have already explained how WBB strategy is all about. WBB strategy is very easy. It has 3 signals entry, and the first one we check if there is a green candle which has bullish engulfed. So imagine you're being told to buy. We are being told to buy here. Okay, so we are being told to buy up to the half. So you come and place a buy, not going on 4 hour to look for time frame alignment, because yes, daily is telling me to buy. Yes, it's OPT, but the last thing that you might miss it in this market is called time frame alignment. So I need to go to 4 hour. Because I'm daily, I need to go to 4 hour. And if I go to 4 hour, it has to agree that yes, this is a buy. So when you go to 4 hour, guess what? You go to 4 hour, and where the market is, on your left, it has activated a new pattern. And that's what many people don't understand. It has activated this new pattern. Can you see? It has activated this new pattern. So this is a double top, a new double top that is OPT, that is not on the daily. So the question is, guys, which one will they follow? Will they follow the OPT on the daily? Will they follow OPT on the daily? And this is what I need you to understand. Will they follow OPT on the daily or OPT on the 4 hour? Which one do you think? Will they follow the OPT on the double bottom or the OPT of the double top? And that's why it becomes crazy. Because as you can see, majority who placed a buy trade, if you placed a buy trade, you lost in this trade. Why? Because I will take it down, the market dropped. The market dropped. Meaning OPT will always follow the current pattern, the current time frame. And 4 hour is our current time frame more than daily. So even if you get a daily OPT and 4 hour also we have another OPT, I suggest and I highly suggest you pick the 4 hour. I hope this was helpful. Go to the GBP card and analyze it, and you will see what I'm saying. Thank you and bye-bye. Love you.